go ahead and remove the lug nuts. And once you do this, go ahead and set the tire aside. Let's go ahead and loosen this jam nut. Just break that free. Now we're going to go ahead and remove this nut. With the nut removed, we go ahead and tap the lower part of that ball joint. With this loose, now what we want to do is count the amount of times that it takes for us to thread this completely off of the inner tie rod end. About 27 times, or 26 and a half. Now we're going to go ahead and install this here, counting the amount of times. I'm going to do about 26 and a half to 27 turns, pretty close to where this jam nut is. Right about there. I'm going to go ahead and line this up. Put that on. I'm going to go ahead and get that nut started right here. I'm just going to use the impact gun just to zip this on and snug it up. Once that sucks that ball joint down inside, we're now going to go ahead and torque it to 70 foot-pounds. Okay. The last we want to do is you want to go ahead and tighten up the jam nut. We're going to snug this up. If you have the tool to do so, you want to go ahead and torque this jam nut down to 55 foot-pounds. I'm going to snug that down. And I want to make sure that the tie rod itself is level, so I just twist that up. All right. Now you definitely want to go down and get an alignment done right away, because we just set a preliminary setting with the amount of times that this came off of. Anytime you do a suspension or steering component, always go down and get an alignment done afterwards. I'll go ahead and get that wheel back on. And we're going to get the lug nut started by hand. By doing so, this is going to prevent any cross-threading of these lug nuts. Once you lower the vehicle down onto the tire itself, you're going to now go ahead and torque these down to 100 foot-pounds. And do this in a crisscross pattern.